Welcome to another episode of MrLopezClasses.com. Today we are going to continue in our book of transmissions, marine transmissions. In this particular episode, we are going to explain the process to do the service in a lower unit. In what case you need remove a lower unit? You need to remove the lower unit for different reasons. One reason is because you need to replace or repair the raw water pump. Okay, in this particular case, we remove the lower unit in this outboard ebbing route, 2 strokes, because a problem of overheating. And we, of course, we repair the raw water pump. In that particular case, the technician is Heb. Heb was my student 7 years ago. He was a great student. Right now he's a technician, master technician specialized in gasoline engines inboard and outboard. And Heb repaired the raw water pump. In this particular case, he is replacing the impeller and the housing.
Okay. You replace the plate, the O-ring only to keep the key in position, no?
Yes, sir.
Grease?
Ready? Yeah, I always put grease inside and then to keep the O-ring in position.
Correct. Perfect.
This have to be flush, sit down perfectly.
To keep the housing, no?
Yes.
Okay.
And the same thing too, I put grease around it and then to keep the housing from falling.
Okay, and now the impeller.
And now I gotta put the impeller. This is a trick part to it. You have to make sure you line this edge
With the
along
key.
with the key.
Correct.
So it can sit down flush. This is just to give a little height to align the water tube that's in there.
Correct.
Use this gun, man. It'll fucking take it right out. Mira. Este pistola lo saca.
This other one position is going in. As you can see,
the groove.
yeah, the groove over there.
Enter over there. Okay, perfect.
You just put it down, and that's it.
And
now it's ready
that's
to.
what should be aligned with the pipe on the lower unit.
Yep,
Okay.
the water tube pipe.
The water tube. Okay.
Correct.
You are ready.
I'm ready. I'm just waiting on
after
rubber.
that, you put nothing here.
Nothing going there.
Okay, perfect. You have a both units ready.
Both unit ready.
Okay, after that, Heb drain the oil in the lower unit in order to verify particles of metal in the oil or milky oil, because the oil is mixed with water. If depending on the condition of the oil, you need to advance with the procedure in order to replace seals or in order to replace gears because the gears are broken. In this particular case, the color of the oil is in good condition and is normal, it's black color.
Danny, and the oil is in good condition.
Yeah,
it's not
it's
milky,
just-
no?
yeah, it's
it's
black.
normal. It's
That's
normal. Yeah.
If it was milky, we got an issue.
Correct. If it's milky, immediately test.
Right. You have to do a pressure test.
Pressure test. Okay, Danny, we are going to do pressure test. We have a Bravo 2.
Yep, there's a Bravo 2, so this is the same test you would do on a gear case, outboard,
Exactly
whatever,
the same.
it's all the same.
It's the same. Okay, we are going to remove the upper screw.
Upper screw, right.
Okay.
So we'll take the upper screw off. And always make sure that the seal's out,
The seal is out, correct?
okay?
And
And it's clean,
it's clean, and we are going to
screwed in.
insert the tool. The tool have your own O-ring.
Right, it has its own roll ring.
Okay, and now we are going to apply how much?
Pressure, 15 psi. This one will take a little bit because it's a big unit.
Okay, 15.
Aye.
15 psi. All right, Danny. In 15 psi, you move the shaft, you move the propeller, and you verify that probably reduce 1 psi.
Yeah, that's
But,
about it. Over a minute.
Correct, but should be 15 for a couple of minutes,
Correct.
and this is a good indicator.
Right.
Okay.
That tells you that the pressure side of the seals are good.
Okay, perfect, perfect. And this is simple, it's not complicated.
Right. And if you had a bad seal, you would pump it up like that, and you look here, and then if you pumped it, it would as soon as you pump it up, it would go down on its own.
Ah, okay, okay.
And it usually will level out a certain way.
All right, okay.
So that's you have to pay, because it'll pump up and then it might lose the pressure right away. If it loses the pressure right, it's a direct leak, and if it doesn't lose the pressure right, it's a small leak.
All right, perfect. And you say that to verify the seal, you can put water with the.
Yep. Now let's say you're doing this test, right?
Uh-huh.
So you're putting pressure on it, and you spray soapy water on all the seals.
Okay.
If it starts foaming up,
It
bubbling,
bubbles,
that's
yeah.
where your leaks are.
All right, perfect.
People used to when I first did this, they used to teach me put the whole thing in the water. Soapy water is so much easier.
No.
In the water, you'll see the bubbles,
It's
but
simple.
I mean,
Yeah, it's simple.
So the soapy water is the best way to do it.
Okay. All right. This is we can do the same procedure for any type of lower unit.
Any type of lower unit, in stern drive, any lower unit.
The secret for a pressure test is the oil at the level recommended.
Correct.
And only remove the top screw.
Top screw, right?
That's it.
Yes, the color of the oil is good. And now we are going to drain the oil.
We are going to drain the oil. That's great.
First, you have to unscrew the bottom one first.
That's the first one, no?
That's
In
the first
bottom.
one. And then let it drain slowly. And then
After that, the top one.
the top one to release the pressure and then to let it drain
Correct,
faster.
correct.
So far, it's coming out good. It's not that milky.
It's not milky. It's in great condition.
Great condition.
Hep was my student 5 years ago, 3 years ago.
Yeah,
Yeah,
time flies.
yeah. And now he's working like a doctor in a marina.
There you go.
Excellent. Okay, the color of that oil is good, no?
No, it's really good.
It's not. It's black. It's normal. It's
That's normal. Normally, in order for us to do the pressure test, you have to be really
Okay,
not
correct.
milky. But yeah,
not all right. We are going to wait until the oil is drained completely.
and then add the new one.
You added the new one.
Not yet. After it drained completely,
In the other one, you added.
then the
Yeah.
other one is done.
It's done. Okay. We are going to do the same process in this one. That's perfect.
Yes, the oil is completely drained. And after that, we are going to add the new oil using the pump, the hand pump, in order to pressurize the oil in the system.
Okay. Right now we are going to
Add the new gear oil.
put the plug.
Okay, first I gotta put pressure on this.
And we are going to check until the oil goes out through the top.
It has to come out from here, clear oil.
Correct.
From the top.
It's coming.
It's coming. Take a little.
It's coming because the bottle is pressurized.
It'll take a little, but it's coming.
It's coming. Yeah.
Yes, as you can see, it's
Yeah.
pressurized.
It's pressurized. They take some moments, no?
Yes. Here we go.
Okay.
That's it. Clear.
Ready to go. We
Stop
close
it.
the valve. And now we are going to put the top plug. We check the O-ring.
The oil, yes, it's good.
And now we install again the plug. Perfect.
Right.
Because the top one is closed, you drain just a little, no?
Just a little because there's no pressure.
Correct.
It's gonna drain a little bit.
And you are ready.
Put it back in, and that's about it.
That's it. And this transmission is ready to be installed.
Yep. That's how you do the gear oil change.
Yes, this is the process. In the moment that the oil is coming from the top, is an indication that the lower unit is completely filled with the new oil. You put the cap on top, you remove the bottom, as you see on the video. You put it back the plug, check that the O-rings are in good condition, put the plugs, and the transmission is ready to be mounted on the motor.